Hey guys, welcome back to GOVZ Travels. Welcome to Central Park, the heart and soul of New York City. Join us today as we explore one of the most iconic urban parks in the world in an electric bike.
But they close 1 a.m., they open 6 a.m.
Oh, it's open until 1 a.m.
Yeah, they
All
close
right.
1 a.m., they open 6 a.m.
So closed only for 5 hours.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then
Okay, sure.
it's very big park.
Yeah, I know.
43 acres
Yeah, it's very huge, huh?
and 6.2 miles.
Yeah.
It's the second biggest park in United States.
In the US, okay. Second largest, yeah.
You know first one?
No, which one is that?
San Francisco Golden Bridge.
Oh, San Francisco Golden Bridge Park.
Yeah,
That's the largest one. And this is the second one. And which is the oldest one, you know, kids? Which is the oldest park in the US? You don't know? Niagara Falls State Park. That's the first one in the US. Yeah, it was opened in 1800s. Yeah.
Central
Yeah.
Park, we have a 9,000 benches.
Oh. How many? 9,000,
9,000,
huh?
Yeah, benches. You see the plate on the benches?
Okay.
So they write your name, they pay $10,000 every year.
The sponsored ones. Okay. Benches.
Yeah, benches, they pay $10,000 every year.
Lot of horse carts. Look at these horse carts, Adi. And you can ride in them.
Also over there is a picnic area.
Oh, lot of people.
Yeah,
See
that's
them.
they can do. No barbecue, no dog, no summer.
Oh. Lots of people. Today it's a holiday, so.
Yeah, the Independence
Yeah, that's right. Fireworks or something? What time?
There's 7.
Oh, really? Okay. And where is it happening? Where is it happening? The fireworks?
Yeah, over there.
Oh, in the main area.
Yeah.
Oh.
Making big investments on the
Marathon over here.
Oh.
You know marathon?
Yeah. It starts from here?
Yeah.
New York Marathon. This is the starting point.
No, they finished. It's not.
They end?
Finished.
They finished. The finishing spot.
Yeah.
And where is it starting?
No, I don't know. It's starting with the Brooklyn, right? Yeah, very famous. My friend, how do
Happy
you
Bandar.
It's
US are
in its
closed.
own world.
Earphone.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Mountain.
Also over here,
Yeah.
that's the Central Park South. It's more expensive in the United States.
What is that?
Over here, Central Park South. That's the Upper East Side.
Oh.
It's the more expensive in the United
Okay.
States.
High-end places.
They call it name the Billionaires Road.
Uh-huh. expensive ones.
Yeah.
Well, rich people they stay here.
Yeah.
Tanish, did you travel in a horse car?
Over here, this is the 7th Avenue.
7th Avenue.
You know Times Square?
Uh-huh.
It's right there.
Oh, okay. End of this, huh?
Yeah, 100 people, they come here, they see the ball drop every year.
Oh, Times
Over
Square,
there.
huh?
Yeah, Times Square, 42nd. You see the short white building
Uh-huh.
in the middle?
Okay.
Lady
Lady Gaga.
Yeah.
Priyanka Chopra
Yeah. She lived now? Or before? Before.
Yeah. This part is not natural, it's the artificial, this part.
Uh-huh.
That's a man-made. Only rock is natural in the park.
Okay. Is your bike electric?
Yeah.
Ah.
That's electric.
Okay.
Okay. That's why you're having fun, huh?
Yeah.
Mm.
So before they used to be the pedal.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah. There's a big playground from movie TV to Jesse. You can say Jesse. You know Jesse?
Uh-huh.
For the kids in the playground.
No, we don't have time. And then the horse.
On my
space
right
ఉండాలి
side-
ఇప్పుడు ఇంత space
On
ఉండాలి.
my right
Yeah.
side, guys, this is Chess and Checkers house.
Who's?
Chess and Checkers house from movie Independence Day.
Independence Day. Okay.
Independence Day.
Movie the
Also on my left side, there's the carousel
Okay.
from face of Nicolas Cage.
Okay.
GOVZTRAVELS.
A lot of movies are shot here, huh?
Huh?
A lot of Hollywood movies shot here.
Yeah, different. And John Wick, Iran Chase, Home Alone, Harry Mercedes, Art Sanchez, Balto.
What building is that? That is a twin tower.
This building, this name, the Jean Remo building.
Uh-huh.
Jean Remo building. That's the first twin tower in New York City.
First twin tower.
Yeah, Upper West Side.
That
That's-
one, the last one, huh? The last one looks like a church.
That's the museum.
Uh-huh.
The museum.
Okay, okay. First twin tower in New York.
Yeah, Upper West Side.
Okay.
That's an apartment of Ghostbusters.
Upper West.
Ghostbusters, you know Ghostbusters?
Oh, oh.
It's apartment.
Huh.
Also, this building, that's the first house in Central Park.
Oh, inside.
Inside the park. First house.
Okay. But who's building inside the Central Park? Like, is it allowed to build houses inside?
Huh?
Is it allowed to build house inside the Central Park?
Yeah. That's only this. So before there used to be the church.
Golden days. Okay.
Yeah, but now the gift shop.
The gift shop here.
Don't give shop. Monday.
ಮಸ್ತ್ ಅವಳು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂ
You know the Plaza Hotel? That's a Plaza Hotel. You see the green
Plaza
building?
Hotel.
Yeah,
The
Plaza
green
Hotel.
one.
Yeah.
Very old one. Okay.
Yeah, I see that. But now they do the pickleball now.
Uh-huh. We don't have the ice cream now?
Huh? No.
It's only during the
now
winter.
Only in winter.
Okay.
Now they do the pickleball.
Okay. ಈ ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರ ಪಿಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಬರಂಪು ಮುಳಾನೆ ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಡ್ಸುತ್ತಾರೆ ರಾಕ್ತವೆ ಜಪ್ಪರಿದ್ದೆ ನೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅವು ಐಸ್ ರಿಂಕ್ ಅವು ಇತ್ತ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ನೋ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ No, we're going
At the ping pong place up.
Yeah, now they're playing ping pong because in the winter it's ice rink. Straight board. They're wooden like this.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿ ಅನ್ನತ್ತ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಳಗೆ ಕುಳ್ಳಾಗ
Nice windy.
Over here, there's the Upper East Side, Fifth Avenue.
Fifth Avenue.
Yeah, and Upper West Side. Down here, this is the summer stage. Summer
State. What is that?
They do the free concert every Friday morning and Saturday, Sunday. Good morning, America.
Free concert.
Yeah, free concert over here. And sometimes we do the dance back.
And this is a totally free park, right? No payment. Like
Yeah,
people who come inside, they can just walk in and enjoy and go.
yeah. That's the first restaurant, courthouse restaurant, like from movie Sex and the City and 27th Drive.
First restaurant. Yeah.
This is the TV of France.
That's not here.
Yeah.
Thumbnail.
The problem is I need to have
Esperas aquí. Vale. How was it? Good?
Yeah, that's good.
$1.
Good.
Daniel Webb. He was lawyer in the city.
I think he
Yeah,
has
first there
contributed
is
a lot.
some the money they transfer to Central Park.
छोकरी इंट्रेस्ट हो जाने एक अल्ट मत लायक ಓವರಾಲ್ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಜಾದು ನಂಗೆ ಜಾಲ ಮತ್ತು ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಲ ಮೂಳೆ ಉಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಸೊ ನಂಗೆ ನನ್ನದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಲ್ಲಡ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ
Also, this is the strawberry field, John Lennon. This is the John Lennon. You know John Lennon?
What is that?
John Lennon.
John Lennon.
Yeah.
The concert area.
Yeah, that's
Okay. Okay.
So imagine it's like this.
John Lennon is what, Beatles, right?
Ora.
They used to live there. That's the name the Dakota business. Dakota.
They used to say, yeah?
They used to live there.
Oh, really? John Lennon.
Yeah.
And he was shot here, right? In the park, right? He was a famous singer. He was shot here. Somebody shot him and killed him.
Yeah.
Long time back. John Lennon. He was a band member of Beatles.
Yeah. From December 1898.
1890, yeah?
December 1898.
1980. A long time back. 1885. That building was built in 1885.
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಉಳ್ಳೇರು ಮೂಡ
Long time back. 1885.
Long time.
140 years.
It's been a long time since I've heard the Beatles. The only time I remember was in 4th grade when I had to hear this song.
Beatles, they had a lot of nice songs. Golden days.
Are you a fan?
I don't know. I cannot relate much because it was before me. So not even my time. It was before my time. So. But we knew some songs. I don't remember now. John Lennon was a famous guy.
ಗೊತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ
5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
ನಲ್ಲೈತಿ 5 ಚಾರ್ಜ್
Say hi to Senegal. Yeah. From Senegal. All right.